Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm doing an unboxing from One Day Saving. Now, they were nice enough to send me a package of some craft goodies that I wanted to share with you, and I will also link their website down in the description box. They have a lot of craft supplies, cross stitch, diamond painting, and a lot of other neat things that you might want to check out. Right now, they don't offer anything that is exactly crochet related, but I did find some items that we could use for crochet so that I could show them on this channel and you guys might be able to get some use out of them. So let's take a look. Look at how adorable this is. This right here is a little pin cushion. I thought this was adorable. They have all different patterns. And doesn't this look like a little cupcake top or a little cake, a little bundt cake or something like that? Oh, I just love it. And I thought that would be really good for us to stick our pins in while we are holding together our projects, especially amigurumi. I like to use straight pins for that. So this is going to come in handy, and it's nice and small and compact. You could even stick it in your tote bag if you're taking it on the go. Oh, look, we've got another visitor. Hi, Wendy. Now, this is Wendy. She's always got to be up in everybody's business. I'm trying to do a video, Wendy. Okay, and the next thing I cannot wait to do. This is a little storage box, and the front of it is diamond painted. Now, I like to use these boxes to put my little skeins of yarn in. I also use them to store my projects in. So let me open this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, see, now this little box opens up. This is perfect. This would be great to keep all of your crochet hooks in if you wanted to store them, or if you just had a lot of little bonbon yarns, this would be cute for that too. It's a nice little organizer for your desk. And then you peel off the plastic and it's all sticky underneath, and then you add the drills, these sparkly drills, to the corresponding numbers. And then they also give you a full diamond painting kit with a pen, your plate of wax, and the little tray to put your drills in. And now we can open this up and see what these look like. Let's check out all these beautiful colors. These are so iridescent and pretty. I can't wait to make this. So this is a small project. It probably won't take very long. How pretty. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. So we've got a total of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different drills. Now, some of these are special drills. Here's some little hearts and some marquee shapes. This is so cute. Very pretty. So I will make sure I show you what this looks like when I finish it. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. And if you would like to check it out, make sure you go to onedaysaving.com. They have some great deals, and it was shipped super quick. I will go ahead and put the link for both of these products, the pin cushion and the organizer box, in the description down below. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I appreciate you all for watching. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.